Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jam, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. For today, I'll be swatching and reviewing these two nail polishes by rom&nd. This is a South Korean brand and they not only have nail polishes, may makeups din sila. So I purchased this two from SHOPEE. And this is my very first parcel from South Korea. And I'm super excited nung pinlace ko yung order and now it's here. It took less than a week para ma-receive ko siya. And they come with boxes. Kung ano yung kulay here sa top ng box, yun yung shade ng nail polish. Plus, you can see here yung shade name nila. And you can see the holographic authentication sticker from rom&nd. And of course, they're made in Korea. And meron din siyang sticker seal sa ibabaw ng box. Now let's check out the nail polishes. These two are in 7 ml bottles. And kung ano yung shade ng logo sa taas, yun din yung shade ng nail polish. By the way, these nail polishes are jelly type, which means hindi siya yung solid creme finish na nail polish. Meron siyang pagka-sheer type na nail polish. Now, let's start swatching them. I'll be swatching lilac soap first. So let's apply the first coat. If you want to have a tinted shade, okay na yung one coat. But let's apply 2 coats. As you can see, the nail polish is very buildable. If you're going for a solid look, you can apply 3 to 4 coats. But I'm so satisfied with 2 coats. Kasi kitang-kita mo yung pagka-sheer and jelly effect niya. Now let's swatch cream soda. And I'm applying the second coat. Okay, so I'm really loving this type of nail polish kasi wala akong masyadong sheer or jelly nail polish. I've been looking for a sheer jelly nail polish na buildable, and finally, I have one. Well, I have 2. I'm super happy that I picked these 2 shades because these 2 shades are my favorite and I think I would really like to try out more. Plus, this dries super fast and super shiny. As you can see sa swatches ko, I didn't apply any top coats, but it's super shiny na tingnan. I'm super loving the packaging. The box is way too cute, and the bottle looks so adorable. I really want to try out the Jelly Sheer Korean Chen nail art, and I think I can do that with these two nail polishes. And I really think that I should try out more colors. What do you guys think? Should I try more? And I guess that's it. I'm really loving these two nail polishes. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Annyeong!